education empower pupils with the knowledge, skills, and values to live in dignity, build their lives, and contribute to their societies. Governments hold the main responsibility for ensuring the right quality education. The 2030 agenda is universal and collective commitment. It requires political will, global and regional collaboration, and the engagement of all governments, civil society, the private sector, youth, and other multi-agencies to tackle educational challenges and build systems that are inclusive, equitable, and relevant to all learners. Thank you. Now, I would like to invite Vaibhav for thought. Vaibhav.
Good morning, all of you. Today's thought of the day is education is one of the most powerful things in life. It allows us to find the meaning behind everything and helps improve lives in a massive way. Thank you.
Thank you, Vaibhav. Now, I would like to invite Gori to tell us UNSDG for. Okay, now I would like to call Pahal to share some facts. Pahal.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Pahal Sisodia, and today I am going to tell you some facts. Enrollment in primary education in developing countries has reached 90%, and enrollment in primary education in developing countries has reached 91%. Still, 57 million primary age children remain out of school, more than half of them in sub-Saharan Africa. In developing countries, 1 in 4 girls is not in school. About half of all out of school children of primary school age live in conflict affected areas. Thank you.
Thank you, Pahal. Now, I would like to invite Kavya Krati for our educational story. Now, Shubham will tell us a beautiful poem. Shubham. Shubham. Yes, Shubham.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Shubham of class 4th. Today, I am presenting a beautiful poem, Education. Get education, oh my friend, oh my friend, oh my friend. Diamond candle is education, came education, went pollution. If you want in world promotion, so should keep in heart condition. When you meet who not educated, lot of problems then located. They feel thirsty for education, but how can they designation? So you learn and read by soul, because you can self-control. Parents have some dreams with you, make new world respect with you. Thank you.
Thank you, Shubham. Now, Kavya and Kriti, present your story.
Good morning, everyone. We are Kavya and Kriti. Today, we are going to present a story on education. Oh man, I just failed my test. Again? This is the 5th time you failed your math test. So, who cares? School doesn't really matter to me. School does matter. If you don't do well in school, you won't can do well in life. Why is education so important? Isn't liking school just for nerds? No, and education is not just for nerds. Education is for everyone. Education is garbage. No, you can't trust. You can't treat education like a piece of garbage. And without education, the world would be not able to work proper. Meaning, no teachers, no cashiers, no pizza, no pizza. Yes, no pizza. I think education, everyone has a purpose in the world and education gets them there. I think I like school now. And without it, I can't be a pizza guy. Yes, you wouldn't be. Thank you.
Thank you, Kavya and Kriti. Now, I would request to our coordinator, ma'am, Ms. Rupa Bal Chaudhary, ma'am. Ma'am, please.
Good morning, children. Good morning, Principal Ma'am and my dear teachers. Today's assembly is especially important and especially dear to my heart because of the theme of this assembly. Today's assembly means the core of what we are doing or the core of what we are trying to establish in this world. Children, education is something which is so important in our lives, and education doesn't mean just learning your English or EVS or science or maths. Education means to be self-sufficient, to equip yourself to be self-sufficient. And these years of your life are especially important because these years enable you to be self-sufficient, to take care of yourself when you grow up. In India, we take education in a very, very serious way, encourage education in our country to see that everybody gets an education, and all the parents, they send their children to school and not make them work. So just like we have the right to live, we also have the right to education. That means to become self-sufficient in your own way when you grow up, so that you don't depend on anyone and you can provide support for yourself. Thank you. I will leave you with that thought. There has been a lot of thought which has been coming your way. I hope you mull on that and you come up with your new ideas. Now I pass on the podium to Sangeeta ma'am. Sangeeta ma'am, please.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, I would like to call Shaurya for pledge. Shaurya.
Good morning, everyone. Put on your right and forward. Such a day, I'll do my best, and I won't do any less. And I won't repeat a miss. And I'll color very carefully. My writing will be neat, and I will not be happy till my paper are complete. I'll always do my homework and try my best on every test. I want to forget my promise to do my very best. Thank you.
Thank you, Shaurya. Thank you, all of you, and thank you, parents. Have a nice day. Bye, everyone. Jai Hind.